Today we're going to replace the batteries on a LiftMaster garage key. This model number is LiftMaster 891LM. They're commonly used to open up garages. You can program them for other things as well, but this is the model number from LiftMaster. It's relatively easy. The battery is a 2032. I'll leave a link in the description below. And I also have a coin here to actually open up this module here. You can also use a flathead screwdriver. Either works. The first step is on the bottom. There's a hinge or a little groove that you can fit a coin or a flathead screwdriver in there. The coin works a little easier here, so you can just insert the coin inside and you can just kind of turn it and it kind of pops open. On the side here, there's another slot, so you're holding this part open and you insert it on the right hand side, open up the slot, and then this is where we're at. So as you can see, this is a 2032 battery. Now we're going to change the battery, so it's attached to the board. All right, here is the new Duracell battery. Put this down for a second. And we are going to take this battery out. You can just get your fingernail underneath. Just kind of pop it open. You may take out the board as well. So this is the old battery. Put the board back. And we're going to put the new battery with the lettering facing up. So this lettering, the Duracell, the plus sign should be facing upwards. So we can just pop it back in. And it's as easy as that. We take the casing and we just snap it back. So as you can see, the top is here, case, and here's the second part. Just squeeze it together like a sandwich. And once everything clicks, you're good to go. And as you can see, I'm pressing the button and the light is going. I will leave the links in the description below.